स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello friends, welcome to Maneuver. Today in this video we'll talk all about the online preparation for Maharashtra B.Ed CET 2021. So friends, as you know, Maharashtra Common Entrance Test for the Bachelor of Education, it is conducted by State Common Entrance Test Cell, that is State CET Cell, which is established by Government of Maharashtra. Through this entrance exam, you can get admission into the various Maharashtra based colleges. So friends, let's talk about the online preparations. As you know, due to the pandemic situation around, all classroom preparations are on the hold basis, and as we launch our online program where you can join and can start your preparation at home. So for online coaching, you can call or WhatsApp on these number, and here you can see online plus classroom coaching. That is nothing but the amalgam program. Due to pandemic situation, you can't attend the classroom program, so right now you can join us online, and when classroom coaching will resume, you can join classroom sessions also. So call or WhatsApp on these number, or simply you can visit at manualedu.com. So let's move further. So friends, there is a question, how you prepare for your exam? By referring various books, and there are lot of books in the market, so it is quite difficult to choose the one of the best book, and this is the main point where everyone get confused. So friends, आपके प्रिपरेशन में आप बहुत सी बुक रेफर करते हो, राइट, प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व करते हो, और जब आपका प्रिपरेशन हो जाता है तो आप मॉक टेस्ट देते हो, right? And along with these, you trying to watch various videos, and if there is possible, you also want some conversation with the toppers, you join various programs, and there is lot of etc etc etc. So friends, यहाँ आप काफ़ी वीडियोस देखते हो, क्यों? To develop your skills, to develop the quick solving ability, to enhance the grasping power, to learn about various shortcut tricks, and to understand the basic to advanced levels questions. And as you know, the B.Ed CET has this section teacher aptitude, and this section aims to know your capacity to become a teacher. And here you will get the lot of questions related to your eagerness to update your knowledge, the leadership qualities, the awareness about changes in education, society, communication, and professional commitment. These all are the question in mind triggers you to join more and more programs. So friends, if you get all these programs and all these features under one roof, then you can trigger your hard work, so you can put your hard work into the smart direction. So to get all these features under one roof, manualedu.com, where you can set your priorities right, and with ease you can target your lakshya. So just come at buy online section, then all MSCET exam section. Now here you will see all the program details like full course, study materials, mock test, and the sectional course. So click on the show packages of full course, and here you will get the complete program details. So scroll down, and here you can join for the B.Ed CET 2021 program, where you will get all the pre-recorded videos, all the topics respect to each section, and the PDF handouts. So friends, here you will get the fundamental concepts, the quick solving technique use, and the overall relevant data which can boost your hard work. Here you can get the study materials, so click on the show packages, and if you are lacking in any section, then you can join section wise courses here. So friends, to interact live with us, join Manua online program. So visit at manualedu.com, where you will get the fundamental concepts, the mentorship, guidance, and all the cognitive processes which will boost your hard work so that you can easily crack MH B.Ed CET. And you can also get here the books, mock test, sectional and full course, and the live lectures. So call on 8828581455. And friends, if you are Mumbai based, then you can join our amalgam program, where you will interact live with us in this pandemic situation, and after you will get classroom sessions at Borivali, Dadar, and Vasai. Thank you very much guys, all the best for your career. See you in the next video.